Hello student. Today we are going to start one new chapter, that is your fractions. Okay, so fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is a number that expresses part of a group. That means suppose a number it is given and that number expresses the part of a group. Suppose it can be written in the form of your a by b. Okay, a by b, where a and b are the whole numbers, and in that case fraction, a is called the numerator, b is called the denominator. Okay, so that means it is a two part. In fraction there are two parts, one part is called the numerator and one part is called the denominator. So suppose this is one fraction a by b, so this one is called as the numerator and this one is called as the denominator. Okay, types of fraction. So these all the types you have to understand first, and based on that some one mark questions will be there in the exam, like that write one example of improper fraction, so write one give one example of decimal fraction, vulgar fraction, simple fraction, like this. So you have to understand it first. Proper fraction means in that case proper fraction means your numerator will be lesser than the denominator. See, one proper fraction, this one numerator is lesser than the denominator, so then it is called as proper fraction. Okay, improper fraction means that ulta of proper fraction. Okay, so that means improper means your denominator, so numerator is bigger than the denominator. See here in this case 3 by 7, 3 is numerator, 7 is your denominator, and improper fraction 12 is your numerator and 5 is your denominator. So can you see the observe the difference? The proper fraction means numerator is lesser than the denominator, and improper fraction means your numerator is bigger than the denominator. And mixed fraction means where there is the mix of fractions and your whole number parts. So this one is called 4 is called the whole number parts and 1 by 3 is called the fraction. All these two are together mixed, so then that's it is called as a mixed fraction. Decimal fraction means whenever in the denominator 100 multiplication of 10 is given, then it is called as a decimal fraction. Okay, so 4 by 100, 3 by 100, or 420 by 1000, any number, if denominator is 100, then it is called as a decimal fraction. Vulgar fraction, denominator as a whole number other than power of 10. Decimal fraction means, see, decimal fraction means denominator should be power of 10. Okay, but vulgar fraction means denominator there is possible of any chance, it can be any number, whole number, it can be any whole number, but except the power of 10. Okay, that is called as a vulgar fraction. That means whenever your denominator is power of 10, that types of fraction come to in the decimal part. After that power of 10, if any number fractional number is there where denominator is any whole number but not multiplication of 10, power of 10, then it is called as a vulgar fraction. See this example, denominator as a whole number other than any power of 10. Okay, it may be chances it can be any whole number but except power of 10. Simple fraction, both as a whole number, that means your both numerator denominator both are as a whole number. So it's a normal fraction. This all the fractions, see, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, decimal fraction, all these are called as a what? A simple fraction only. Now 7 number fraction is complex fraction. Complex fraction means there is mix up between fractional part and fractions, mixed fraction, all this in one fraction, then it is called as complex fraction. Means in this name itself define the fractions. Complex means it is complicated. So see, in the numerator your numerator is 2 and denominator is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is one fraction. Okay, so that means your complex fraction means it is combination of whole number and fractional number, all this together, if in one fraction if it is considered, then it is called as a complex fraction. Equivalent fraction means which give same value. Suppose see this one, 2 by 5 you have, and I have written 4 by 10. So tell me these two are equal or not? 4 by 2 means, if you do cancellation, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. That means ultimately it is 2 by 5, and here also 2 by 5. Both are equal, so then it is called as a equivalent form. That means same value. Rational numbers are different, fractions are different, but if you simplify or if you do some multiplication, then it will give the same fraction. See here 2 by 3 is given. If I multiply 2 by 3 by 5, that means in both numerator denominator, if I multiply by 5, then it will be 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 10 by 15. So then you see these two, 10 by 15 and 2 by 3 is called as the equivalent form. Here also 4 by 7 and 8 by 14, these two is called as the equivalent form. Like fraction, important this one. Like fraction means all the denominator are same. If all the fractions denominator are same, then it is called as like fraction. Like 2 by 11, 5 by 11, 5 by 11, 9 by 11, all these are like fraction. Unlike fraction means if denominator are not same. And all the any fractional number you take, 3 by 7, 5 by 11, 9 by 40, okay, all these are unlike fraction. Okay, now we will start the exercise. So in exercise 2a, one number it is given, you have to simplify. That means if addition given, you have to do addition. If multiplication given, you have to do multiplication. If whatever it is given, according to that sign, you have to do the calculation. So first it is given 7 by 9 plus 1 by 8. So what is the LCM between 8 and 9? 8 7s are, sorry, 8 9s are 72. So 72. Now 72. 9 how much are 72? 9 8s are 72 and 8 7s are 56. 9 how much? 8 how much are 72? 8 9s are 72. 9 1s are 9. This one. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 8. Okay. 9 8s are 72 LCM. 9 how much are 72? 9 8s are 72. So 8 9 8s are 72 na. So 8 into 7, you have to do multiplication. 8 7s are 56 plus 8 how much is 72? 8 9s are, so 9 into 1, 9 1s are 9. Now it will be 65 by 72. This is the answer. Similarly this one also, 8 and 2 LCM is here 8 only. So after that 8 how much are 8? 8 1s are 8, so 1 5s are 5. 2 how much are 8? 2 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4, and 5 minus 4 1, so it is 1 by 8. In this case, see this one, you have to see very carefully. This mixed fraction addition is given 3 1 by 8 plus 1 5 by 6. Okay, mixed fraction given now. So here what I can do is, first I will take separate the whole number part. 3 plus 1 I have written, because all the case addition is given now, so that's a plus I have written. After that, the fraction part is there now, that one I am writing 1 by 8, 5 by 6. That means I have separated. Now 3 plus 1 4. This LCM is how much? 24. 8 3s are 24, 6 4s are 24, 4 5s are 20. That means it will be how much? 4 plus 23 by 24. So your final answer will be, so you have got this one, 4 plus 23 by 24 now. So now 4 plus 23 by 24. So your final answer will be 423 by 24. If anything, in any case number is given like this, 4 plus 23 by 24 like this, that means addition, one whole number and then one fraction number, then you can write it simply, just you can remove the addition and simply you can write in the mixed fractional form, then it is correct. Okay, see 423 by 24. So similarly all these 4, 5, 6 number you have to do by yourself. Okay, similarly 6 number, once you check 6 number, it is given that first you have to do the bracket work. So 12 plus 11, after that 4 by 5 plus 1 by 3, this one you will do. But check here, bracket is given, outside bracket what is there, minus is there, after that minus is there, after that what is there, 36, this one you have to do. First you have to do the simplification of this one, after that according to the resultant what you have got, with this you have to do the subtraction, because you have subtraction given now. Okay, now see question number 2, simplify. Here also you have to do the simplification. Here what is given, 3 by 7, 1 by 21, 1 by 14. So can you find the LCM of 7, 21 and 14? Once I am showing to you, 7, 21, 14. So all these are multiplication of 7, so I am taking this 7 as a factor. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, 7 2 is 14. See, now any common factors are there? Nothing is there. So 7 into 6, 42. That means your LCM is 42. Okay. Now 7 how much? 42. 7 6 is 42. 6 3 is 18. 21 how much? 42. 21 2 is 42. 2 1 is 2. 14 how much? 42. 14 3 is 42. So 3 1 is 3. Okay, so 18 plus 2 means 20. 20 minus 3 means 17. 17 by 42. So this 2 number, 3 number you have to do by yourself. So 4 number, you see, 4 number is given, 22 9 by 11 minus 8 1 by 4 minus 2 1 by 6. So all the whole number part I am taking separate. 22, see here, 22 minus 8 minus 2. So all this minus is given, that's why I'm writing 122. After that minus is there, that's why minus 8 minus 2 is there, minus 2 written, plus. Okay, because before 9 by 11 plus is there, so I have given the plus. See, 9 by 11 I have written, because whole number part I have written already. Now it's time to write the fractional part. So fractional part means 9 by 11. Then see, before 1 by 4 minus is there, that's a minus 1 by 4. And before 1 by 6 minus is there, that's a minus 1 by 6. Okay, so after doing this, what I have done here, after doing the addition, 12, 22 minus 10, 12. Okay, so 11, 4 and 6 LCM I have taken. This LCM will be 132. So after taking the LCM you will get 108, because 11 how much are 132? 11 2s are 132. 11 12s are 132. So 12 9s are 108. 4 11s are 132. 33 is a 132. So it will be 132. Then 12, 6 how much are 6 11 6 22 is a 132. Okay, so 22 ones are 22. Now after doing the subtraction, you will get 12, then 108 minus 55 by 132. So now see, here also you have got like this, 12 plus 53 by 132. So now you all the addition is given, and one fractional part, one whole number part is given. So simply you can write it as a, you can remove the addition. So if I remove the addition, then it will be in the form of mixed fraction, 12 53 by 132. Okay, now see, 3 number question, it is given, compare. That means whether it will be less than, greater than or equal to. So both the side you have to do, then only you can compare now. So first this part I will solve. 4 1 by 4 plus 1 by 7, that means 4 and 7 LCM is 28. So 4 and 7 LCM is 28. 4 how much is 28? 4 7 is 28. 7 1 is 7. Then 7 4 is 28. 4 1 is 4. 7 plus 4 11. 11 by 28. Now this side, 1 by 12 plus 5 by 6. LCM of 12 and 6 is 12. So 12 1 is 12. 6 2 is 12. 2 5 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11 by 28. See here also 11 by 28, here also 8 so it will be less than, greater than, or what? It will be equal to. That's why I've given here equal to. So with this 2 number, 3 number, you have to do by yourself. Now see 4 number. 4 number it is given 7 1 by 12 plus 3 1 by 3 dash, then 11 it is given. So see this one, 7 1 by 12. So all the whole number part I am writing first. 7 plus 3, now plus 1 by 12 1 by 13. Okay, so 7 plus 3 10. Now 12 and 3 LCM is 12. 12 how much is 12? 12 1 ja 12. Now 3 how much is 12? 3 4 ja 12. 4 1 ja 4. So 1 plus 4 5. That means it will be 5 by 12. 10 plus 5 by 12. Okay, now check the right hand side. 10 plus 5 by 12, and here it is 11. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Now this side 11 is given, this side 10 plus some fractional part is there. So now you tell me which one is bigger. 10 plus some point, 10.000 or 10.99 something like this you will get in this side, or here it is given 11. So you tell me without simplifying, just you tell me which one will be bigger. Obviously this will be bigger. Here you will get 10 point some decimal number, some decimal number will be there, so like this 12 5 6 7 like this, 10 point something, 10.7 10.23 like this. So will there any chance of getting 11? No. So that means every time if you do this division, if you do after doing the division, you will get 10 point some like this, 10.532 like this you will get. Okay, so here in the right hand side it is given 11. So without solving here, no need to do the division, or simply you check here it is 10 plus 5 by 12, that means 10 point some decimal number will be there. After that 10 point some decimal number will be there, and in the right hand side it is given 11. So which one will be? Obviously 11 will be bigger. So with this your question number 3 is completed. The remaining part we will discuss in the next video. Okay, bye bye.